Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. I know I got this bright light behind me with the windows, but bear with me. Um, the thumbnail is a little not really misleading because I did build my third app, but it's my second iOS app, and at the same time, it's not an app I already. It's an app I already built. But the point is, Mo Foods 3.0.1, because I had to fix the map, is going to be available on the App Store in like maybe 2 days, depending on how the review goes. Right. So I just had to fix this stuff because some of the images weren't showing, but I really wanted this, and this is actually like kind of the testing ground for Verse. Verse, it was a location-based video sharing app where you can basically have like it was a Billboard Top 100 for videos, so you can see like what the trending video is in a city, state, country, or in the world, and like as you zoom in, you can kind of see like what's going on and who's got the best video in like Nevada, Las Vegas, and things like that. Think of TikTok, but videos are ranked, and you're not. You can't edit. Like you only record from the app. And if I like got to a point where you can edit, you can do that, right? And I know I made a video about like, all right, Mo's working on 5 projects. Now it went down to one, two, three, maybe 4. It's mostly 3. It's Yap, Mo Hostile is a game, and Verse 2. Mo Gains, honestly, I think I'm gonna make the decision right now in this video to just take it off the list. So technically, I got 3 new projects that I'm going to be working on this year, um, and there's a fourth one, but it's for someone like if you watch my last videos for someone's biker club. They want an app to manage ride-alongs and things like that, which could serve as the stepping stone for crew if I decide to bring it back. But I think that app, if built well, um, could be a could be another stream of revenue. Something people might pay for. So we'll see what happens with that. But nah, Mofoods is done. This app took like 9 months of me working on it. Uh, like this app is like a year and a half old. Um, and then after that, I just started vibe coding it last year. But the bugs were a little messy, and I was like, all right, I'm gassed out. I don't think I coded it that much last year. Yeah, I didn't really touch it last year. But this year I went crazy. I was like, all right, this agentic stuff, like AI has improved. Like, let's see how far I can go. And I've really been pushing the limits of like trying to write code without touching it. Now I'm going back to the old way of like doing research, R&D, and you're gonna really like see the process of how I used to really build apps, instead of just like just throwing prompts at it and just seeing if all right, this looks good. Like but you're really going to see that process, and I'm gonna document that, and that's what these videos moving forward will be. The game, the app I actually need for myself. Verse 2, seeing if I can actually get the vision I want for that app. I don't necessarily like care for it too much. Well, I do, but I just want to see it exist. I just want to see my vision I had back in like 2016 exist. And Crew, which is like someone else's, not the Crew app, but the other one. You can also head to momated.online to see progress on that. But yeah, man, this is the social features. Download this app in like 2 days, please, because you'll go through the onboarding and it'll actually work a lot better. So I'll schedule this video to be released in 2 days, so, in case people don't listen. So you gotta like, let me see. Yeah, there go Mo Foods right there. I'm gonna add it. Did I add Mo Foods? So yeah, you can search and add users. There it is. I don't know what the heck just happened. Um, Folders, you add folders. It's kind of hard. Okay, that's how you do it. You got your dictionary, your food journal, not dictionary, food journal. You got the cool discovery features, which is really cool. This works so much better and works how I wanted it to work. I wish this is the version that came out. And then you have groups. Groups is also really cool, because I think my favorite part is the AI feature, which it'll take in consideration everyone's preferences, allergies, and things like that, dietary needs, and actually recommend places for you to eat. Taking like looking at the groups stuff. Now this app is cool. I needed it. I love it. I would use it. Would I pay for it? Yeah, I would actually. I probably buy it for a week, I don't know if I would subscribe to it. But if I had like money, like and like my friends were on it, I would pay for it. So definitely not building stuff I wouldn't pay for or to get my myself. But it works. It like I feel like I built something useful, at least for myself, and that's all I cared about, really, is building something for myself. Uh, yeah, you got streaks, you got this AI food scanner, you got smart meal notifications. I lost my streak, it seems. You got your favorite restaurants in your profile, and that's about it, y'all. That's there's more stuff I know I'm missing, but I just wanted to make this quick video, let y'all know that quick update, and you know, watch videos up here. I'm actually surprised. Like,
Yeah,
Go and throw half in
that
there
looks
for you.
gorgeous, man. That
this is entirely built with. So here's the tech stack. It is Firebase, Revenue Cat, Swift. So like Swift UI, Swift, and Google Places API, and OpenAI API, like the ChatGPT API. I'm using Google Places to get the addresses and all that, and I'm using there's an old and a new Places API that I'm using. The new one gives you like more locations, and you get food. You get like here, let me show you. You get like reviews from Google and stuff like that. Firebase, I'm using authentication, storage functions like cloud functions, um, and who brought our dog in here? What else? Storage. I think I said storage. Firestore for the database. Yeah, like this whole thing is running on Firebase as the backend, right? Because I don't see this going like even if it did blew up, like it could support it. It's built on top of GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Um, what the revenue cat is just for me to make money. That's how I manage it. So that was really easy setup once you get comfortable with it. I'm using the Open API moderation, the moderation API. So, when you're making the social media like social features, you need a way to moderate this, right? You don't want people just posting crazy stuff on here, and so the moderation API is ChatGPT's OpenAI's API for content moderation with text and images. So if someone's posting, crazy stuff or saying crazy stuff, you can you can submit those things, that kind of content to OpenAI, and the AI will flag it. You can make it flag it. You can make it take it down. I have an admin dashboard, so I can like see public stuff, and the moderation API will flag it, and then I can remove it. What I had to do was just do it automatically, like hide it. But when I was posting, this post, not that one, but give me a second. This one, it like flagged it and said pending review, and I don't want to manually review people's stuff. If trying to automate that. There you go. So like it flagged this, and I don't know why, but it's not perfect. So it's better just have the AI flag it, and then you create some automation where it sends you an email or something, right? But yeah, y'all, that's the update. This is the third project. The first two I didn't really talk about too much. It is Ubuntu Spaces and Yappa. Yappa was an AI voice agent for people to sign up and get a AI voice assistant so they don't miss calls. That's up and running and working. Ubuntu Spaces, you could take pictures of spaces, exterior, interior, landscaping, I think anything really, and prompt it to redesign it. You can go to ubuntuspaces.com. You can go to yappavoice.com, or you could just go to momadeit.online and see those links up there. I'll probably drop it in the description if I'm not lazy after this. Uh, but yeah, that's the update. Your content I'm going to be recording. I know I say it all the time, but I'm already planning it. Um, already got my camera gear and all set up. So yeah, this is going to be more of a brand building, audience building than you know building for money. Like I'm still building for money and going to charge for stuff, but I think you'll see how it goes. Like I'm going to document this new pivot and what I'm trying to do, and it's going to be mad chill and fun. It's going to be mad chill and fun. I also notice when I'm on recording, I go a lot. I think I'm gonna need like some kind of mic or whatever, or what do you call it? The thing when you smack your lips or whatever. It's like I'm chewing gum or like I'm eating something. Like I'm over here thinking like y'all watching this like, yo, can this dude stop smacking his lips? I think that's all I want to talk about. Yeah, that's more foods. I have other things going on. Nothing crazy, but I need to lighten the load this year because I have big trips coming up that I might post and edit on my personal YouTube channel, which is just, you can find it. Um, see, I did it again. Um, yeah, I just gotta take it light this year. Uh, and if it makes money, it makes money. If it don't, it's okay. So let's go build. And I think I'm gonna start teaching. I think I'm gonna like show the flow and then just ask questions and stuff. And I'm also gonna copy some of the YouTube formats of people who are like things that work. So we'll see how all this goes.